Dear students, good morning to all of you. Here in this video clips, I am going to teach you people how to change the question tag. You have to convert these sentences into question tag. Okay, first of all, let me underline let me underline these sentences half part. Okay, this will be given. Okay, she was late dash. Ashok has gone dash. After dash, what will be here? Note of interrogation. Note of interrogation. You have to convert these sentences into questions tags. Earlier, I taught you people how to make interrogative. No. In a question tags, if half part is positive, here this part is positive, then remaining part will be in negative. No, was not. She was late. There is no negative. Not is not in these sentences. Then half part you have to write was not. Was not she, and at the end of a sentence you have to give note of interrogation. Then your answer will be right. She was late. What will be? The question will be she was late, L-A-T, late, dash, at the note of interrogation. In the dash, you have to write what? Was not she. Was not she. Okay. See this subset, that will be C. Here is no negative. You have to change into negative. Was not. Has is here, no negative. That's why has not. He. I have written here he. No, Ashok is here. You may write has not Ashok. Has not he. Ashok has gone. Here in these sentences, no and not is not seen. That's why half part will be not. Hasn't. Hasn't is a short form. Hasn't is a short form. Third question. No, you know his address. You know his address, don't you? Okay, I have written here, don't you? Why have I written don't? You know his address. First of all, you have to find out auxiliary verb. Here is, you do not see auxiliary verb. Is, am, are, was, were, shall, will, should, would, could, may, might. Okay, these are not seen. In that cases, you have to see V1, V2, V5. Okay, V1, for V1 you will take do, for V2 you will take did, and for V5 you will have to take does. No is a V1. For V1, I have taken don't. Don't you? You know his address? Don't you? You are late? Are not you? You are late? Negative is not here. That's why are not. You invited they invited you. invited, this is V2. For V2, what will you take? Do or did? Did. No, this is V1, V2. Invited is V2. For V2, you will take did. No, they invited you, didn't they? And at the end of a sentence, you have to give full note of interrogation. Here is note of interrogation. Number 5. They invited you, did not they? Did not they? Number 6. He is your brother. No, he is your brother. Half part will be? Half part will be, isn't he? These are the solved answer. No. She was late. Ashok has gone. In this way, you will have. Okay. And this part you have to write. No. He is a good student. Dash dash. And at the end of a note of interrogation. He is a good student. Dash dash. What will be its answer? He is a good student, isn't he? Isn't he? No, no negative. But here you see number 7 again. You cannot open dash dash. No, dash is here. You cannot open. Not is here. That's why not will be not written. If not is not seen, then not is written. If not is seen, then no need to write not. Okay. You cannot open, that is negative sentence. That's why half part will be absence of negative. No, can you, and at the end of a sentence you give here note of interrogation. He is a good student. He is a good student, isn't he? No, I like you. 9 number, I like you. The word like is V1. For V1, do not. No, I like you. Affirmative. Half what you have to change into negative. For V1, don't. You will take don't, and here is I, and at the end of a sentence you have to give note of interrogation. That means question mark. Without question marks, okay, if you forget to give question marks, your answer will be wrong. Okay, your answer will be correct only when you will give note of interrogation at the end of a sentence. If negative, if the first part is negative, then remaining part will not be negative. If first part is negative, then this part will be affirmative. That means absence of no not. Absence of no not. Number 10. She is my sister. She is my sister dash dash. Affirmative sentence. For making it question tag, you have to find out where is auxiliary verb. Is here. Isn't is the short form. Isn't she at the end of note of interrogation. Is, isn't, am, amn't, can, can't, could, couldn't, no, will, not, no. Okay, in this way you have to change these sentences and your sentence will be correct. Okay, she was late, Ashok has gone, you know his address, dash dash dash, this part will be dash, and the dash you have to write this, then your answer will be correct. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.